That's right. Yes. Oh. Hi.
Good one?
Ooh, that was a good yawn. Contemplating.
Yeah, what are you thinking about?
Thinking another piece. Oh, careful, not too far. Another piece of pecan pie would be delicious. I should stop giggling at you, huh?
Yeah.
So good.
Boy, what's going on with that mind?
What's happening? What's happening, little guy? Oh, that breathing. I don't know what that's about. Yeah.